papa. It's not doing the papa. Do we need new batteries? It normally lags when you do your foot.
Give Papa a kiss. Where's my kiss? Bebe. Wee, baby.
Okay, good. You can replace the batteries. Because the pop-up part's not working. Alright, so we should have just gone to Build-A-Bear and gotten some clothes for Bear. The foot's not working. Look, the baby gets in her stroller.
Ooh, you're gonna pick a fight now.
Baby.
That's Bear place, huh? Like?
See what she does.
Yeah, kick that door out of the way. There, both.
That's what she's saying.
It's the baby. That's the baby's place?
She's like, maybe this'll work.
Both of you. But Bear, here, look.
Look, you can push Bear in the basket. Like Mommy pushes you. Look, come see. Look, watch. There.